Hello everyone. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? So today my niece is here.
Hello.
और ये आज मेरा मेकअप करेगी, okay? So what sort of makeup you gonna do?
Shimmer cut crease.
Shimmer cut crease makeup, okay? She's gonna do, and it's gonna be dark shade or like light shade. What shade you're gonna use? Okay, I'll show her about it. Let's see. Ta-da! Which one do you want?
For the shimmer part.
For the shimmer part.
Rose gold.
Rose gold. Okay, and what base you're gonna use? So she's gonna use rose gold here, as a for the cut crease. Okay. And what will be the base?
Brown, like.
For the eyeliner? Okay, fine. So let's get started. Ta-da! Okay?
Okay.
Ready? चलो let's start. इधर आओ. Sit here. I'll bring things for you. अभी रुक जाओ, बंद करना वीडियो. मैं चीजें इसके लिए arrange करूँगा. Beauty blender. Oh my god. I don't have a beauty blender. You can use this brush, or you can blend with your fingers. इसको beauty blender चाहिए. इसको भी लो ना, my beauty जो है मेरी. So this, just check. This is a little. This is a bit white shade, okay, to the pink tone, and this is a little bit of my skin. So I usually, if you want to mix, it's your choice. Yeah, do whatever you want.
Fine, then I'll use that one.
Okay, use whatever. मेरी शक्ल बनने वाली है. Okay.
Wait, you buy?
हाँ, कहाँ पे यहाँ पे?
No, forget the forehead.
हाँ? ये क्या?
Oh.
Forget the forehead. Why?
Yeah. You've got to do a
कार्टून बनवाना है?
before and after. Okay.
चल. Wow, soft and gentle. She's blending now.
Blending is brush it on.
Yeah, she's brushing on with the blend.
God.
Her strokes are like blending strokes. Good, I like it. Good.
What about a moustache?
Nothing. कोई मुश्ताक नहीं है.
Mustache?
There is no मुश्ताक.
You have to blend. You have to,
Yeah, she's blending
have
nicely.
to brush around there.
Her strokes are good. I like it. Chalo.
Can I do my
What
shadows?
about my eyes? I'm gonna blend something on my eyes.
Already वो लगा हुआ है eyeshadow इसकी.
You can apply this foundation on my eyes. It's okay. You can blend it on top. To tone it down, if you want to tone my eyes down, you can blend it. Wow. Wow.
I can see a brown line.
Oh. So basically, Ishal, since how long you have been watching my videos? On my YouTube channel, she's watching my videos. Ishal has been watching my videos since for the past, I think, few months or a year. Months. And now she wants to do my makeup.
Okay, go on.
So I'm her inspiration. Chalo. Brush.
Apply a bit of red.
Blush. Okay, here's the blush. Here's the shimmer. Here. Wow. How is it looking?
Okay, I think
Okay.
she's missed a
So
bit.
far? She's at the learning stage. But I think her strokes are good. A lot. If you got a lot only in your brush, this is the best way to brush it out like this, and then blend. Goodie.
Afterwards, I'm gonna have a go. I'm gonna
You
have a
can
go.
use your finger. You can use your fingertips for blending, or if you want, you can use it for
Don't forget her
blending,
nose.
for brushing. You can use finger for brushing.
Don't forget her nose.
Okay. Even
You need to blend her nose.
Nose.
Otherwise, we can see it.
clown. Okie dokie. Yeah. Perfect. Bingo dingo. How I'm looking so far?
Bingo, bingo.
Oh, dingo bingo. चलो. अब eyeshadow कैसे लगाओगी?
No, that's eyeshadow.
That's a spoolie for my eyebrows.
Yeah. Use black for her eyeshadow.
Yeah, you can use this for my if you want to use this black, you can use it for my eyebrows, or either you can use it for my as an eyeliner. Eyeliner? Okay. Eyeliner?
I'm not good with eyeliner.
Oh, practice. No better person to practice.
Wow.
Um,
So she's using black powder eyeshadow to.
Wow, that's really bad.
It's really bad.
No.
Huh?
No.
So she's using black eyeshadow
When you take a
as
shower,
an
then you can see
eyeliner.
how bad it is.
Huh?
When you take a shower, you see how bad it is.
She's not using any kind of liner or kajal or black jet liner. She's just using powder. Did you blend it in the corners? Huh? Or is it a wing? It's a wing, or you just want to blend the corners? Wing? Okay.
You might not be showing me that you had a small jar of makeup filled.
What?
Okay, come on, carry on.
Can you now do the cut crease? I want to see the cut crease, and then I'll wear lip pencil and then lip.
Why are you using your fingers?
Yeah, she can use fingers. You know, our fingers are the best brushes. You can blend, you can brush, you can.
You didn't say that about my fingers.
Wait, he did your makeup.
Come on.
He did your makeup before.
He never. He's never done my makeup before. He will. Once I will give him a chance to do my makeup.
I did it once.
When?
You loved it.
No.
Your face was all black.
How does it look? How's it looking?
Perfect.
So I can kill a lot of guys today. See?
Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. What happened? Did you spill something?
No, it's okay.
So we have powder. If you spill any eyeshadow or anything, you just put some powder under my eyes so you can brush off, okay?
Okay.
Which powder is there? There's a black this black one here.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So this is how you're gonna dust it out. So take this a little bit, just dust over here, and then blend in.
Yeah.
Tap and blend. Tap and blend. Tap and blend. Tap and then blend. Wow.
Okay.
So how is my this? Can you see
Yeah,
the difference?
yeah, it's fine. You can go to a wedding now. You're ready to go to a wedding.
Cool. Great. So अभी इसका eyeshadow लगाया? तो मैं वहाँ पे किसी को डराऊंगी तो नहीं ना? कौन सी wedding में मैं जा सकती हूँ? A bridal wedding or a...
After she's finished, I'm gonna do a bit.
I'm not really funny. Huh?
Oh yeah, let me do a bit of that.
क्या आपने क्या करना?
Yeah,
Let her do it, let her do
यही जो ये कर रही है.
Yeah, I know. You know what he will do? He will rub his finger in the black eyeshadow and rub it all over my face. You know? That's what he's gonna do. I know.
Why? Why are you laughing, little sunshine?
Go look there. How is it? How is it looking?
Beautiful.
So this is my
Picture.
makeup artist,
Here's a look.
Ishar.
इधर.
पिक्चर हमारी एक ले लो बीच में से ताकि मैं उसका
How do I
वो
take a
थंबनेल पे
picture?
लगा. Highlighter?
Oh yeah, highlight. I forgot.
Highlights are done.
No.
I could have done that.
इस साइड से वीडियो बनाओ ना ताकि हम दोनों आए. ये भी आओ मैं भी आऊँ. Not only me.
Right.
Yeah. अब हाइलाइटर लग रहा है.
I can do a bit of highlighting.
Oh.
Oopsie. Is it too much?
That was a bit. I went over. I did it over here instead of here.
It's okay. Then I will look like a Korean girl. So इस साइड पे normal highlighter है और इस साइड पे
So here,
Korean highlighter.
I hear you've been
Korean makeup
messing
highlighter.
around with the makeup with Iman, huh?
No,
Sure.
she used some of Bisma Popo's makeup. Before that.
Chalo, you girls are allowed. You girls are allowed to use my makeup. Okay, it's okay. Chalo.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Okay.
Smudge it over the lips.
What should I do? Should I smile or should I make a pout or what? Should I do?
Mm.
Normal face.
Okay.
God, scary.
Ah.
That's just a bit of painting. I can do that.
It looks like a painting, but it's difficult.
I can do it with dark colours.
I know he's gonna make red and black evil girl. Yeah. It look here. Chalo, ab dekho. Should I blend?
Blend. I think I see. I think I see now.
कैसे?
I'm getting tired.
जाओ सो जाओ.
I'm falling asleep.
चलो. देखो.
Okay, now
Fine? Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay.
time for
चलो.
setting spray. Wait, Miss
Time for
Claire,
setting spray. चलो. करो.
close your eyes. Oh,
Shake.
Oh my god.
there's nothing in it.
Give me.
No, it's
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
चलो दिखाओ. मैं अपना makeup देख. She did my makeup. Look at my makeup. How is it? Amazing. So look how glowy, beautiful I'm looking. So all the credit goes to my niece Isha, the upcoming makeup artist. So whoever living in UK, so if you need appointments for a wedding or birthday or any celebration, contact her. I'll drop her number.
Wait, what?
I'll drop her number in
No,
the.
you drop your number.
I will drop your number because people there they can contact you in UK, and those who wanted to have makeup from me in UAE, so they can contact me. Just send me a message. You don't have my number? Okay, you can just send me, and they can comment in the comment box that I want. So Isha will check the comment box and she will check and then she will contact you. Okay. So तब तक के लिए हम दोनों को इजाज़त दें. Take care. Good night. Bye bye. Ta.